Hey everyone! Welcome back to Smart 4 Home. If you're looking to expand your streaming options on Kodi, you're in the right place. Today, I'll show you how to install two popular Kodi add-ons, Exodus Redux and the classic Exodus. These add-ons are your gateway to tons of free movies and TV shows. Let's dive in. Section 1. Preparing Kodi for third-party add-ons. First, we need to tweak some settings to allow third-party add-ons. Here's how. Open Kodi and go to the Settings menu. Select System Settings and then navigate to Add-ons. Toggle on Unknown Sources. A warning will pop up. Don't worry, just click Yes. This step is essential because both Exodus Redux and Exodus are third-party add-ons. Section. Installing Exodus Redux. Next, we'll install Exodus Redux. Here's how to do it. Go back to Settings and select File Manager. Click Add Source and then click LT, none, 1GT. Type in the following URL carefully. https://iac.github.io and click OK. Name the media source Redux and hit OK. Now, let's install the add-on. Return to the add-ons menu and click the open box icon at the top. Select Install from zip file, locate Redux, and click on it. Choose the file named repository.seduceredux.xxzip. Wait for the repository to install. After that, select Install from repository greater than Exodus Redux, repository greater than video, add-ons greater than Exodus Redux, and hit Install. Exodus Redux is now installed. You can find it in the add-on section and start streaming. Section 3. Installing Classic Exodus. Now, let's install the Classic Exodus add-on. Follow the same steps as before to add a new source. Use this URL, http://lazykodi.com, and name it Lazy. Go to Install from zip file, locate Lazy, and select zips greater than kodibay.zip. Once the repository installs, go to Install from repository greater than kodibay, repository greater than video, add-ons greater than Exodus, and click Install. That's it. Both add-ons are ready to use. Conclusion. And there you have it, Exodus Redux and Exodus installed and ready to go. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more tech tutorials, and drop a comment below if you have any questions. Happy streaming, and I'll see you in the next video.